Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are fine and safe. Okay, so in this video, we would like to explain about our group presentation today. But before we start, I would like to introduce my group member first. And me as a moderator here, my name is Diara Skina Faisal. And then there are three other of my friends. The first one is Putri Aulia Yuniarti. The second one is Vivi Nurul Fadilah Hasan. And the last one is Muhammad Alfian Abdullah. And we are all from group 3 with the topic is computer-based assessment for writing skills. And in this case, we would like to specifically review the apps of HelloTalk. So without further ado, let's watch the video together. Okay, so the first part I'm going to explain about is part E, or introduction of our project. So in computer-based assessment of writing skills, it has developed rapidly in recent years, and various approaches have been developed, ranging from simple statistical analysis to the use of sophisticated natural language process techniques. And computer-based assessment can cover various aspects of writing skills, including text structure, clarity of ideas, language use, and appropriateness of context. However, computer-based assessment also has its challenges, and one of the main challenges is identifying and assessing the more abstract aspects of writing skills, such as creativity, originality, and writing styles. In addition, computer-based assessment system must be able to adapt to different types of text and different writing contexts. In an educational context, the implementation of computer-based assessment for writing skills can provide significant benefits. By using an automated assessment system, teacher can save time in providing feedback to students and focus on deeper interaction in the learning process. In addition, computer-based assessment can provide more equitable opportunity for students because the assessment is consistent and objective.
Okay, first is computer-based assessment and HelloTalk. So CBA, or computer-based assessment, is the practice to assignment by computer, and HelloTalk is conversation-based mobile assisted language app. Computer-based assessment use a computer program to evaluate inputted responses, while optical mark reading evaluates written scripts. Portfolio collecting gathers written material. There are three types: standalone apps, provide network operating apps, and online assessment applications. Standalone apps require one computer. Provide private network operating apps require multiple computers, and all online assessment applications are accessible over public network, such like the internet. HelloTalk is a popular language learning app based in Hong Kong, Shenzhen, China that assesses written proficiency. It covers various languages and aims to connect language learners to native speakers and target cultures. Although not fully free, the app has a large user base of over 7 million members, making it accessible to both Android and iOS users. Okay, HelloTalk features as a CBA tool. So there are various features that HelloTalk have to provide English language learning in order to increase the proficiency of the learners. So there are 5 that HelloTalk have, and first is real-time chat for language practice. HelloTalk facilitates real-time text and voice communication between language learner and native speakers. These features allows learner to practice their language skills in authentic communication scenarios, enhancing their speaking and listening abilities. The second is correction and feedback mechanisms. HelloTalks offers correction and feedback functionalities where native speakers can correct learners' messages and provide explanations. This feature promotes error correction and language accuracy, contributing to learners' writing proficiency. Third is language exchange community. Health Talks provides access to a large community of language learners and native speakers from around the world. Learners can engage in peer-to-peer language exchange partnerships, fostering collaborative learning experiences. Four, Fourth is multimodal learning resources. Health Talk supports the exchange of various media formats including text, voice messages, image, and videos. These multimodal approaches accommodates diverse learning styles and offers opportunities for contextualized language learning. And the last is performance analytics and progress tracking. Health Talk offers features for tracking language learning progress, such as message statics, language proficiency assessments, and goal setting tools. These analytics empower learners to monitor their development over time and adjust their learning strategies accordingly.
Thanks for opportunity. I will explain next material about HelloTalk function as a CBT tool. One of these main function is facilitate real-time written communication between language learners and native English speakers. This live interaction provides learners with immediate feedback on their writing, allow them to identify and correct grammatical errors, improve vocabulary usage, and refine sentence structure. In addition, HelloTalk encourages language exchange partnerships, connecting learners with proficient English speakers who want to learn another language. Through written conversation with native speakers, learners are exposed to authentic language use and writing styles. Furthermore, HelloTalk encourages peer review and collaborative writing activities among its users. Learners can share their written work with peers for feedback and suggestions. This collaborative approach creates a supportive learning environment where everyone can learn from each other's strengths and weaknesses in writing. Incorporating multimedia elements into writing exercise gives learners the opportunity to practice descriptive writing, storytelling, and multimedia compositions. Engaging in diverse writing tests encourage students to experiment with language and express themselves creativity to honing their writing skill in English. And last is HelloTalk offers feature for tracking writing progress, including message statistics, language proficiency assessment, and goal setting tools. By setting writing-related goals and monitoring their performance, learners can focus on specific areas for improvement and track their progress over time. I think that's all for me. I'll give it back to moderator.
Right, thank you. Next, I'm going to explain about Part D, the suitability of health talk for different students' level proficiency as CBA tools. So, for the beginners, these apps provide a supportive environment to practice basic writing skills. Through interaction with native speakers and peers, beginners can start with simple sentences and gradually build vocabulary and sentence structure. And the real-time error correction features help beginners identify and learn from their mistakes, while multimedia integration allows visual aids and audio feedback to reinforce learning. And next, the intermediate learners can benefit from HelloTalk's language exchange, partnership, and peer review function. By engaging in written conversation with native speakers and receiving feedback from peers, the middle level learners can refine their writing skills and expand their language proficiency. And then advanced learners can use HelloTalk to refine their writing style and develop a more nuanced understanding of the English language. Through interaction with advanced users, advanced learners can explore vocabulary, idiomatic expressions, and rhetorical devices. The app's performance analysis goal setting tools allow advanced students to set specific writing goals, uh, track their progress, and focus on areas that need improvement. In addition, HelloTalk's peers review feature allows advanced students to receive constructive feedback on their writing from peers with similar language proficiency levels. In HelloTalk, the app also accommodates learners with different learning preferences and needs. Visual learners can benefit from the app's multimedia integration, which allows the exchange of image and videos to complement written communication, while the auditory learners can utilize the app's voicemail features to practice pronunciation and listening comprehension. That's all from me. Thank you. Alright, so it seems like we have almost reached the end of the part of our group presentation today. But before I end the group presentation, I would like to tell the last part of our topic, and it would be the conclusion. So in conclusion, computer-based assessment learning can be highly effective for developing writing skills among students, and the interactive nature of CBL combined with immediate feedback, customization, and extensive practice opportunities can significantly enhance students' ability to write effectively. While in CBA may not replace traditional classroom entirely, it can serve as a valuable supplement to traditional methods, helping to bridge the gap in writing skills among students. And overall, HelloTalk serves as a valuable CBA tool for enhancing English writing skills across different proficiency levels, and its diverse features, collaborative nature, and adaptive learning environment make it suitable for beginners looking to build foundational skills, and intermediate learners can seeking to improve fluency and accuracy, and advanced students aiming to refine their writing style and language proficiency. And that would be the end of our group project presentation today. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. Also, I would like to apologize for one of my group member, yaitu Putri Aulianiyati. I would like to apologize on her behalf because she cannot attend and explaining the material today. That would be the end of our group project presentation. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.